Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really smart looking Honda Zoomer in white with black alloys, so they're aftermarket or additional extras from factory to get them painted black, as well as the orange stickering on it too. Makes the bike look really smart. Only 6,000 kilometers on the clock as well, so around 3.9k miles I believe. I'll be writing it in the ad anyway. Brand new front tyre too. Front mudguard is in really good condition. Headlamp and indicators here really good. Front plastic's really good. Right hand side now, all very good. Little mark here in the key area, it's very typical though. Here you have that black alloy. Footwell area really smart with these they're actually painted black nuts here, so you can see the person who owned this bike previously really did look after it and wanted to make it look as good as possible. Still very factory though, no real major modifications on it, just little tidy ones which I think really make the bike stand out. 2008, mudguard good, exhaust is perfect, it's brand new rear tyre as well, as you can see. And there's the seat, top of the seat really good. And then right hand side here, airbox, kickstart and electric start on her too. Little mark here in the footwell area, but nothing major. Underneath then all really good, no signs of rust at all. And coming up to the plastic on the battery box here, all looks really nice. Little mark here, as you can see. There's the 6,000 kilometers. Circle plastic mirrors on her, metal frame. But that's it for the visual analysis. For now, move on to the ride along video. Alright, we're away now on this beautiful little white Honda Zoomer, 49cc, 4-stroke scooter, twist and go, no gears in her. As I said, two brand new tyres front and rear, oil service done, indicators all working, which I'll show you throughout this video. What else? Only 6,000 kilometers on the clock. Really well kept, very well kept bike. Nice few little things done to her, modifications done by the previous owner, obviously in Japan. And if you didn't know, this bike is brought in from Japan. We do have a selection of other colours in the Honda Zoomers. We have this white, blue, red, orange and black in stock at the moment, ranging from 1,750 to around 2,000 euros. This particular one not sure, I think it could be 1,950, but the ad will tell you, will be linked in the description below on how much it is. We just hit up 45 kilometers an hour up that hill. So downhill you usually get 55, on the flat you get 50, and then uphill you get 40-45. That's the kind of speed you can expect out of these Zoomers from stock. We have done modifications to Zoomers in the past, variators and so on to the stock Yetz or Let's motor, the 49cc motor that's in this. As you can see, we're now doing 55 downhill, which will get you up to around 70 kilometers an hour. And then if you want to do extremity, then you can put a 150cc GY6 engine in it, which we have done in the past. Well, there's a video up on the YouTube channel as well, which you can get up to around 120 kilometers an hour from. So we're just going to turn in left here and have a little look at the bike and how she sits on the road and a bit more about her. So I'm just going to pull up into the left here and start braking and come to a full stop. Height wise then, I'm 6'2" and I fit on it very comfortably, so if you're worried about being a bit too big for the bike, it being only 49cc, then you should have no problems at all with this, as you can see. Getting off the bike then and looking around her, I think this white looks really nice. My personal Zoomer was white before I sold it and moved on. We'll just leave the camera here, try to get a thumbnail, as you can see. But she's really nice looking little bike. The front headlamps look great. I will turn on the indicators now so you can have a look how she is on the terrain here. That's her now from the front, and then we'll move to the back and then I'll show you the other indicators working as well. That rear tyre is brand new, 2008 bike, last year before the carburetor turned into fuel injected, which we're not a big fan of here. The fuel injected Zoomers are okay, but they're not as good as the carbureted ones. Fuel economy wise then, it's €6 to fill the tank, and you will get about probably 250 kilometers, maybe a bit more out of the tank. So a lot cheaper than a bus or Lewis or whatever you're getting into college or work and so on. So that's kind of been it on this Honda Zoomer. We've covered all the things that I wanted to cover, but if there's something that you don't know and you want to know, leave it down in the comment section below and I'll try to get to it as fast as possible. Also, if you could like the video, that would be really greatly appreciated. And finally, we're nearly at 600 subscribers, so if you could push us over that mark and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated.